Welcome everyone. In this video, we're going to show you how to block available time in your agenda. To start, I will show you how to block off a small part of your availability on a specific day. Let's say I want to take Tuesday mornings off and do not want to receive bookings. Click on the first available slot on Tuesday, which is 8. Change the appointment type to not available. You can also choose break or other. Type in an activity title. Change the color if you'd like. Set the start time, which is already at the start time we want. And set the end time. I want to be back to work at 12. Now click Save. As you can see, there is now an appointment booked in this slot. This will make sure I cannot receive any bookings from my client in this slot. We can also choose to block off an entire day. To do this, click on the All Day event box below the day you want. For example, on the 28th. Click on the All Day event row. Set the appointment type to not available. Type an activity type. And click Save. You can now see the entire day is blocked off. I will now show you how to block off periods for multiple days or weeks. Let's start by putting in our daily break. I'm going to click at 1 o'clock on Monday on the open slot. I'm going to set it to appointment type break, which is the same as not available. I'm going to type the text break. I'm going to set the end time at 2. Now the next part is we are going to set a recurrence. This time I'm going to choose daily. I want the break to happen every day. And I want the end time to be at the end of next year. Next, we click Save. As you can see, we now have a break on every day until the end of next year. We can do the same by blocking out an entire week, for example, if we have a vacation. Let's click on the All Day event column on Monday. Set the appointment type to not available. Set the activity type as vacation. Set the recurrence again to daily, every day, and set the end time at the end of the week. Click Save. You can now see the entire week is grayed out and not available for bookings.